Today, we are going to discuss about common eye defects. The common eye defects are myopia, hypermetrophia, astigmatism, presbyopia, cataract, glaucoma, etc. So today we are going to see all these defects in detail. The first one is myopia. It is also called as nearsightedness. In this defect, the eyeball is longer than normal. Light rays converge in front of the retina, causing a blurred image. This condition can be corrected by using appropriate concave lenses. The second one is hypermetrophia. The eyeball is shorter than normal in this condition. Light rays strike the retina before converging. It causes a blurred image, and this condition can be corrected by using appropriate convex lenses. For myopia, to correct the image, concave lens will be used, and for hypermetrophia, to correct the image, convex lens will be used. The third one is astigmatism. This condition is due to irregular curvature of cornea or lens. It can be corrected by using cylindrical glasses. And the fourth defect is presbyopia. This condition is due to loss of flexibility of the lens. It creates difficulty in focusing on near objects, and this can also be corrected by using convex lenses just like hypermetrophia. The fifth one is cataract. In this defect, the lens becomes opaque due to disease or aging. It leads to blindness. It can be corrected by removing the lens and wearing suitable glasses, or by replacing the defective lens with a normal lens from a donor. Cornea may also become opaque in this condition, and this is considered as a serious condition. It is corrected by grafting a new cornea. People should or will their corneas and lenses to others at the time of death, because the lens and the cornea have little blood supply. Tissue rejection is not a serious problem with a transplant. The last defect is glaucoma. Overproduction of vitreous humor increases pressure in the eye, and this crushes the delicate cells of the retina, causing blindness. This condition is called glaucoma. Thank you.